Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how you can buy AI Doge tokens. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So this is not a financial advice. Do your own research before investing into any crypto, as crypto investment is risky. So if you don't have an account on MXC, the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to create an account on MXC using the link in the description, where you will be getting few free tokens, and also there won't be any buying and selling charges for crypto. So this is AI Dodge over here, and I will show you my MEXC account. So all you have to do is you will need to click on the markets below, and on the top you will need to search for the trading pair, which is AI Doge. And now you have to go in spot, which is the second option. Click on it, and now you have to click on buy. Since it's a pair, you will need to have USDT in your wallet. So I have close to 50 cents USDT in my wallet, since I already have bought other tokens. If I will show you, as you can see, I have bought this ADA, Solana, Snake, Matic, Polkadot. So all you have to do is, once you have enough balance, you can select how much USDT you want to put in. Let's say if you want to put in 1000 USDT, then this is the amount of AI Dodge that you will be getting, and simply go ahead and click on buy Dodge, and then the funds and the tokens would be credited in your spot wallet. So it is this simple to buy AI Dodge. And in case if you still have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.